Hello friends, welcome back to Super Galactic World. Today we got a special guest. His name is Andres, and he also has a YouTube channel called Andres Botantes.
Hello.
Don't forget to subscribe. So today in this video we're just going to be solving Rubik's Cubes, and we're going to have a competition against me and him, and whoever solves it first. So let's get the timer started. So 3, 2, 1, go.
Then here we go. Oh yeah. Leslie. You're
gonna win.
17.
And he won. So let's try again.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna try again. Let's get the timer started again. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright. Oh no. Oh wait, what? I'm confused. Oh no. Okay. Should have done that in the first place. Oh.
I think I'm gonna lose it.
Yellow dot. Oh man, I got a low. 37.
So today's winner is Andres, and I lost today. So we'll try again next time later in a different video, but don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels and click the bell button for notifications. So that's it for this video. Bye.
Bye.